How to draw Sour Bill. From the Disney movie, Wreck-It Ralph.
My fellow artists, be sure to use a round object to trace a circle to make Sour Bill's body. Even I needed to use assistance. I have never been that good at making perfect circles. This video is a perfect example of how important coloring is for characters. By itself, the drawing looks somewhat like a hodgepodge of lines. However, once the coloring is added with different tones, you can see the character come to life and have some dimension. Sour Bill is a lesser-known Disney character from the movie Wreck-It Ralph. I try to select Disney characters that you can feel comfortable with drawing. For greater complexity Disney characters, be sure to visit my channel Magical Creations found listed on my homepage. Sour Bill is a green sour candy with big green eyes and floating jelly limbs. He always has a glum attitude and questionable morals. Be sure to enjoy drawing Sour Bill and watch to the end to see his finished appearance. I use Microsoft Paint to color my pictures. However, you can use anything you like as crayons, markers, pencils, paints, or anything else you can think of. Keep in mind I draw on grid lines so you can use the lines as guidelines as you draw.